Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the HT Instruments ISOTEST M70 insulation tester. This tester was released to the market for sale on January the 13th of 2014. Just looking at this, I ran across this meter. Well, anyway, put it like this. I was looking at a YouTube video one day. It was like an infomercial. And I looked at the meter. I guess I have this kind of a third eye. Basically, I can tell if something is really cheap or if it's high quality. And, you know, and my senses haven't really let me down yet. And sure enough, I bought one of these instruments, and sure, my intuition was correct. This is a very high quality meter. Most of you here in the States probably have not even heard of HT Instruments. And if you were to run across it and they were selling it to you for $5, you probably wouldn't want to buy it because, I mean, now don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with this. You know, you're probably stuck on the flukes, the Ideal, the Agilents, and what have you. But I'm here to tell you that this tester is very high quality. It's very accurate, spot on. The build quality is spot on, A1. I was kind of surprised myself. This company is not here in the States, but they do have different branches. I think they have one here in the States, right? And this meter is everything that they said it would be. I've used it a number of times, and I was well pleased. And if I had to recommend this meter, I will. If you run across this meter, I'm not going to say any test instruments by HT Instruments because I guess they've seen my video. And they tried sending me stuff before, in which I did get it. And I do believe in telling the truth. The videos, the instruments that they sent to me, I've done videos on them, reviews on them. Some of them were good, some of them were not so good. And if you want to see those, check them out. It's some clamp meters that they sent me and some other stuff that they gave me. But anyway, this tester in general is very good. Let me turn the backlight back on for you. And it has a greenish yellowish backlight. It looks brighter on the camera than it does in person. Not saying it's dim or anything, it just looks a little bit greener on the camera than it does in person. It looks lightish green, yellowish. The screen itself is very large. Hold on a second. I was looking for something here. Okay. The screen is very large. You can easily read the numeric display on it, or everything else that is trying to tell you on the screen. You can easily see it. The rubber housing around it is real high quality. The plastics in the front here, all around, is really nice. So, but let me give you a closer look at it, and I'll get back to talking about my likes and dislikes in a minute. So, let me just scroll down. I just hold the camera down some and zoom in. Okay. Now, that's the functions. It has basic functions for multimeter. You have resistance. The left side here, you have resistance. You have continuity. You have volts AC, volts DC. You have low ohms. Okay, and on the right side, which would be over here, you have the voltage measurements when you want to use the insulation tester. You have well, let's start from the bottom. You have 250 volt test, 500 volt test, and a 1000 volt test. Going up To the right, to the left here, is the on button. The lock key is in the lock button is in the middle. The soft key on the end is 0. It's to zero it out, and for the backlight. Looking at the screen at the top, it's sorry about the glare, but it's a really nice screen, and the test leads input are at the top. The croc clips are very nice. Let me zoom out a little. Okay, are very nice, as well as the test leads. They are high quality. Right now, if you were to purchase a meter like this, I think it go for like $600 and almost $700 for this meter. And it has like I say, basic functions, but it's very accurate. And even the multimeter, when you're using that function, is very accurate. Excuse me. Let me just show you some of the voltage, some of the features on it. Okay, so it doesn't have. That's at 1,000 volts right there. And I'm gonna just press the test button and just see. The test button is here on the side, the little black button right here. See it, the black button right here. But I'm gonna just press that and just with. It goes to 4,000 mega ohms at 1,000 volts. So I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna go to the next one. Go to 500. Same thing. It should read 4,000 mega ohms too. Because 4,000 mega ohms. Well, then it's 2,000. Okay, at 500 volts. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the next one. At 250 volts, that's 1,000 mega ohms. I like the bar graph here at the top also. Let me get out of this. Let me see. Here we go. I guess I'm pressing it hard. I don't know. But anyway, it's a very nice tester. My recommendations are, if you were to see this tester on the market, on somewhere, and is, the price is right, is in a good condition. Here's another one of my recommendations: don't pass it up. Do not pass it up. You will not regret it if you were to purchase this meter. Even if you were to purchase this meter at the original price, you won't regret it. I like it. I really do like this meter. I like everything about it, even the pouch that it comes in, and the accessories that comes with it. Like I said, this is the basic one that they have. They have others, the M72, I think that's the newest one. They have others other than that, other than this one. But this one is enough for me, and I am well pleased with it. So, I hope you enjoyed it, the little short video telling you about my test instruments. There's more to come, so stay tuned. If this is your first time at looking at the channel, visiting the channel, why don't you hit that, in order to support the channel for free, you can hit that like button, subscribe button, and also you can leave a comment. I love to read the comments. I love responding to the comments. But you could do either one of those. It's for free, and it's in support of the channel. Well, so with that being said, guys, you guys take care out there, and I'd like you to meet me here again when we do another video. Until then, take care, and I'll see you later.